this is how it's going to go on. First going to thread that up. Then this is how it was, at least. Lock washer, washer, nut, and then this threads on the top to tighten on the top when you have a flag in there. And that's how I ended up putting it on. Washer, lock washer, then bolt, because the hole down there is just, it's just too big. And that thing's gonna fall in the hole and not do its job. So that's the way it's gonna go. Now I'm gonna use a 19mm on the top and bottom and tighten that sucker down. I used a long handled, this one's a 3/4, to reach the bottom, and then I used the impact wrench with an extension and the 19mm head to crank that down nice and tight. Then I just cranked that on tight enough that it won't fall off. This is a 19 also, so I'll probably need to throw one of those in the Jeep for when we need to use it. I guess while we're at it, we'll put one on the TJ too. This one we put on the way they recommend because the hole was tighter. That's what it looks like on the TJ.